Morning students, welcome back to Sandy Penny Educational Academy, standard 5th mathematics and chapter number 17, volume and nets. So volume. To help Radhika and Meena understand the concept of volume, Vaibhav gave them some eraser of the same size. अब राधिका और मीना को समझाने के लिए कि व्हाट इज कंसेप्ट ऑफ वॉल्यूम, तो वैभव ने दोनों को सेम इरेजर, सेम साइज के सम इरेजर दिए. राधिका पुट 1 लेयर ऑफ 14 इरेजर इन हर पेंसिल बॉक्स. ऐसे पेंसिल बॉक्स में 14 इरेजर्स की एक लेयर बना दी, तो अब कोई स्पेस नहीं बची थी पेंसिल बॉक्स में कि कोई और इरेजर आ पाए. मीना ने 10 इरेजर्स की एक लेयर बनाई. Meena could fix one more layer of eraser in her pencil box as more space was left. मीना ने एक और ये बना दिया लेयर जिसमें उसने और इरेजर्स डाल दिए. राधिका पेंसिल बॉक्स कैन होल्ड 14 into 1 इरेजर, मतलब 14 इरेजर, और मीना पेंसिल बॉक्स कैन होल्ड 20 इरेजर. सो हैंस इससे हमें पता चलता है कि मीना का पेंसिल बॉक्स बड़ा है बिकॉज शी कैन फिट मोर इरेजर. She has more space in her compass box. Hence, we can say that Meena's pencil box has greater volume than Radhika's. So, a volume of an object is the amount of space it occupies. This is the definition of volume. Volume मतलब क्या? एक volume of an object हमें कैसे पता चलता है? जितनी space जो object occupy करता है, जितनी space जो object लेता है, उतना वो ऑब्जेक्ट का वॉल्यूम होता है. प्लेन फिगर, जैसे कि प्लेन फिगर, सर्कल, रेक्टेंगल, स्क्वायर, उनको कोई स्पेस नहीं चाहिए, इसलिए उनका कोई वॉल्यूम नहीं होता. वॉल्यूम होता है सॉलिड फिगर्स का, जैसे कि क्यूब्स, क्यूबॉइड, सिलेंडर, इनको स्पेस चाहिए होती है, इसलिए दे हैव द वॉल्यूम. नाउ द यूनिट्स ऑफ द वॉल्यूम. To find volume of object, we will find some them of cubes with the cubes, and we can use many of them with the following cube. एक हमने मिलीमीटर का क्यूब लिया तो उसका mm है यूनिट. You can take a sugar का grain. mm is used in measuring volume of very small object. 1 mm cube give the volume of cubic meter which can be written as CUMM. 1 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब है, वो लार्ज ऑब्जेक्ट का उसके लिए होता है, और हम लोग उसके यूनिट को लिखते हैं CUCM, क्यूबिक CM. 1 मीटर का क्यूब है जो हमें टीवी बॉक्स वगैरह के लिए यूज होता है, उसका क्यूब बहुत लार्ज होता है, सो इसका यूनिट है CUM. Now calculating the volume. Let us find out this box by filling it with some centimeter cubes. इधर हमने सेंटीमीटर क्यूब्स रखा गया, ओके, इन द बॉक्स. The first layer has 8 rows and with 4 cubes. That is 8 into 4, 32. 8 rows है, 8 rows and 4 cubes. So 32 cubes. The entire box is filled with 4 layers of 32 cubes. So 4 into 32, that will get 128 because we have 4 and we got a 1. So we will multiply 32 with 4. So we will get all that 128 cubes. Since a box can hold 128 cube, the following the volume of the box is said at 128 cubic centimeter. Here it is given. Okay, now of this, first layer have 5 cubes. Second is 4, then 3, then 2 and 1. So it all have 15 cubes. So volume is 15 cubic centimeter. Now what is the volume of cuboid? So volume of cuboid, formula of volume of cuboid is length into breadth into height. Length, breadth and height. Like this we used to get the formula for volume of cuboid, that is length into breadth into height. Now volume of cuboid, because in square all the sides are equal, so in cube also all the sides are equal. That's why side and side. Side into side into side is the volume of cube. Now you have to find the volume of the following. So it is given that L into B into H. So it is the volume of cuboid. So you have to multiply length, breadth and height. So you will get the answer. After multiplying all that three, you will get the answers that are 1152, 840 and 294. Now it has been, you have to measure the calculate. So you have to do 2 into 5 into 1. That is 10. 8 into 8 into 8. You will get the answer. 3 into 8 into 6. 4 into 4 into 8. So you will get all the answers. Same way you need to do of this also. सब में ऐसा ही करना है. You have to multiply all the numbers, so you will get the answers. Do not forget to write that unit. Okay, up here if it is given length, breadth and height, so you can find it volume. Okay, if it is given, you have to find the height. So we have the formula L into B into H is equal to V. It is given 8 and 5 and H is equal to 360. Here it is in multiply, you will get them into divide 8 into 5. So you will get the H. Like this only you have to do all the things. Now the net. It is given how the net. So cube is made up of 6 faces and cube have all the equal faces, that is square. So you need to make 6 squares and that also of same size. If you are taking 2 centimeter, then all the 6 squares will of 2 centimeter. Same way you need to make of cuboid. And this is your homework. Here we end our chapter.